Alright guys, I'm back. Back for another adventure. We're going to do another slab. Sorry I haven't been around. You know, I've been having family problems. I'll explain what's actually happened. I've finally worked out what's going on in my life. I'll fix it. It's all good. Things need to be done. But we're going to Clinton Moore's house. Clinton Moore's an FMX world champion. Red Bull X-Fighters world champion. We're gonna go see his compound, so it's pretty cool. But I'll see you when we get there. Alright guys, bye. Alright, we've made it to Clinton Moore's house. Secret spot, secret location. Simon's on the job. X Games, eat your heart out. I've been to this compound a few times back in the day. When Clinton was learning these backflips and stuff. And now he's next level. He was on top of the world. Here we are. This is FMX compound. Alright, look at that shit. See the big jump sign? Huge. Man's over here somewhere. Ramps galore, like big massive foam pit over there, big blue thing's a foam pit. But we'll show more of it in a minute. Anyway, get this slab going. We're here.
Field operations.
The man himself.
Yeah, I am. What's your second wish? Concrete.
That's it.
Concrete
hey,
slab.
How you going, mate? Pretty good, pretty good.
There we got Stewie, the mud pusher.
This is the slab we got.
This is the dream pad.
Yeah, awesome. No, we'll be right. We'll smash it out.
This is where the dreams will become a reality.
That's it. Well, there's your dreams over there, too. Okay, we got a little bit in. First truck's in anyway. Boys are chaired up. Clinton done some chairing. He's going good. Clinton and Reno set this up. So it's alright. Pretty good so far. So we've got more mud. 2 bays going down. We get another 2 bays over there. So it's probably 4 bays wide, I'd say. Sweet. Let's try to get some shots of me screeding. I'll get near the end now, I reckon. Last truck or something will get me screeding. And finishing. Action's on. Prince Dad's here. Woo! Beautiful day. Right, we're in the bar. Get some pads in over there. Watch that steel, Clinton. Make sure they lift that steel up around the outside. You don't have to touch the sand, it'll make your slab shit. Doug, maybe you can watch out for that. When they put the concrete around the outside, make sure they lift the steel up. Make sure this bar doesn't hit the side either. You'll get that rust later on in the future. Just fuck your whole slab up. Lift it up a bit there, lift it up. Lift it up there. That's it. Alright. Blasting it out now. Yeah, pull it that way. The more you can pull it over, the better. In there, look at him go. Bit more on the rake. See this, Willie? You better get on that concrete. You won't be around to help us, so we'll have it done for you, but you'll do one of them with us eventually. Spread it all out. I'll get some pads in there and I'll scrape some fucking bays. Alright, I'm getting in there. Alright, we've got a bit more in. We're getting there slowly. One more truck, we should be halfway. And then we just got to do this bit. Might have to wheelbarrow a little bit, maybe, but maybe not. Simon reckons he's going to get it. They probably will. Back it up here, eh? Mm-hmm. Back up through here. I'll shoot all that bit. That bit can shoot on that bit. Yeah, maybe a little tiny bit of wheelbarrow up there, maybe, but nah. We'll just push it. Boys are putting the brackets in for the shed. It's an actual shed so Clint can build all these crazy stuff. Let's go and look at his compound. Come on, look at this, Baker. We'll go stand on top of his foam pit. So he practices and makes up all different tricks here. He's the first guy to do the Bundy, where he does a backflip without the bike. And he lands back on the bike, but the bike doesn't do a flip. I'll show you a clip right now. Bush.
Solid with a beautiful flare, and it is absolutely fantastic how William Moore is riding today, getting in for the first. Oh, fantastic!
Hopefully I found a clip. Well, this is his foam pit. Massive. Big 120 footer over there, you can see. It's a bit hard to see. I'll try to show it again later. It looks pretty good. Oh, and there's his big slab. He wants to make some more ramps and make a little bit more stuff to make some more tricks happen. Need to concrete that run up for him there too, so I can have a hit. Anyway, let's get into it. Where's the truck? Where's the truck? All right, next truck's here. We're gonna wheelbarrow this little tiny bit here. See if we can get clipping on the wheelbarrow. Nah. He rides two wheels, not one wheel. Literally. Let's pour it out. Oh, I bet there's mesh close there. Yeah, the mesh. I don't know how why it's so close, but maybe there's a bend up there or something. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. How you going, mate? Pretty good. Still riding your mountain bike? You fucked your leg?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Alright, we'll barrel this little bit out. So he's pulling it all the way over. Simon's ball floating it. Getting it all happening. Got a double bay here, hopefully. Get all this in. Nice work there, Clint. We just bull float that part. That's so good. That's good. Is he getting there?
Mate, don't make me get on the screen to show you how it goes.
Oh, I hope so. Don't worry, you will be getting on the screen.
I'll be the master finisher.
Yeah. You just stick to your motocross tricks, mate. You do the Bundy and I'll concrete Bundy, alright? Until Gamma will conquer Bundy. So Bundy, no undies. Well, that's far enough, Richie, this way. Yeah. Awesome. Alright, we'll try to get something happening. Let's go. We just got another truck in, and we just got another truck here again. Just screwed all that off again. We must be getting halfway now. Come on. It's taking about an hour so far. We don't have to wait for the truck too long, so pretty good. Pretty damn good. Clayton's got his FMX bike in here somewhere. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, it's not in there. I thought it was in there, but it's not in there. Alright, we've got concrete, alright. Let's go. I found his bike. Look. Bum, bum, bum. Rad. That's it. We're in. We've got some more concrete in. We've got one more truck to go. There's the beam down here. She's going pretty good so far. It's 8:30. We started about 6:30, so it's taken us 2 hours. Good times, good times. Clinton's still in there. He hasn't passed out yet.
They're giving up freestyle to start pushing mud around.
Did you hear that, folks?
Couple more years, come on.
He just enjoys concreting that much. He's just going to give up freestyle and come concreting with us because it's so much more fun.
Well, I can't backflip bikes when I'm 50, so.
Oh, who says you
Might as well be a
can't?
supervisor.
Who says you can't?
Age is only a number.
Yeah. Travis's dad did a backflip at 50 something, didn't he?
Yeah, that was a phone picture.
Yeah. What do you reckon, Simon? Crazy, eh? Yeah. What do you reckon, Deegan? Bust a backflip, Connell. Deegan, do a backflip now. Into the foam pit. Just stand there.
Oh, if I was standing on it, I would.
Yeah, just backflip into it. It's probably wet a bit, but...
I can't do backflips though.
How many ramps has he got?
Oh, shitloads.
I don't even think this is the one that I saw when I was a kid.
Nah, he's changed it heaps. The pit.
Oh, I see.
What do you reckon, Richie?
Backflip.
Backflip. Backflip, pulling out your big tits. Therefore he's like doing flares and stuff.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. Off the side. That's a 120-foot jump over there. See that big one back there?
Yeah.
That gap? Yeah, that's a 120-foot gap. Because there's a 120-foot jump in the comp sometimes. So they have to practice that. There's a super kicker to do double backflips.
Yeah, right.
That real steep one.
Which one's this?
This is the double backflip one. And that's a normal freestyle ramp. They just do the normal tricks on. Still backflips and shit, but not double backflips. And there's a front flip ramp somewhere too. Front flip ramp's got like a launch pad on top of it.
Yeah, it's over there.
Is it? Oh yeah. Right. We've got the last truck. The last bit to go.
He's dead.
Deegan's got us again. She come a bit wet. We didn't add any water, but that's how it's been coming, so don't blame us for how wet it is, right? I get people hacking on me all the time. Okay, concrete's too wet. Why do you do this? Why do you do that? Shut up, cunt. I don't. You're not here.
Alright?
Yeah, they're not here, so. Alright, put her out. She's pretty good. Yeah, that's it. In there.
hole here, mate. Boring, it's so many footage. Like these people that watch my concrete videos, they love it.
Yeah.
The most boring stuff. Want more screen on videos? Use screen today. That's right. My dog Buddy's feeling better slowly. He's gonna have his operation yet, so yeah, might have to get put down yet. Oh, my dog Buddy's got cancer. I don't know. He did have an operation. He might die. Big dog died, Dad. Which big dog? Oh, he died, yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice. He died from cancer too, didn't he? Is that cancer?
What's the legal time?
$5,000. $5,000. I'll definitely get it. But it's cost fucking, I just can't do it. I've got so much shit on my head. I have to kill my dog, I can't do that. We got Clinton Moore on the screed. He's gonna have a go. First time he's ever screeded. It's all about keeping that thing square, Clinton. Don't roll it too much. Then you know that you're right. That's it, that's alright. Beautiful. Leave it there, put it down on the ground. Step back a little bit, fix yourself up. Make sure.
You know, it looks like a real concrete here.
Yeah, no, that was good. You go again. So you're going off the box on this side and you're just trying to float on that side. Yep. So I think it's pretty wet still. This is where we started. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. I have to do all this slurry bloody dries up. I don't want to fucking... Yeah. Maybe another 20 minutes, half an hour, I reckon. And we'll be into it. Alright, good work. Let's do this. Right, boys and boys, the tools up. Make sure you ice them up nice and good. No concrete or nothing. Clayton's got these moulds for his, you can see over there, he's got really big concrete blocks. And he's making them right here. That's awesome, Clint.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Did you get that made up?
I made it myself.
Did ya? Fuck yeah, that's awesome.
Jack of all trades and a master of none.
Yeah.
Sucked in, Willie. I got my slab done before you. So I guess I'll be doing the silly willy now.
Yeah, boy. We'll be doing yours soon, mate.
Yeah, just hang in there, pal.
Yeah.
Hang in there.
All right, I've hit the slab. Hit this bit twice so far. Bit of a bleed water on top. Fucking around with me a little bit, but looks alright. Going pretty good so far. I got my other girl there. Finish her off with that. Make it really nice. And she's looking pretty good. She's looking awesome. Simon hates the pretty good shit. Fucking the best. Best slab for the best freestyle motocrosser in the world. Thomas Pages, shut up. Nah, you're good too, bro. You're way good. Good times. All right. Girl's going awesome. Thanks, Master Finish. All right. This first bit is done. Nicely polished. Just waiting for this. It looks like the centre here is actually going off more than the two sides. I don't know why, but oh well. Should happen. She was 125 thick as well, so. But she's looking pretty good. I'm gonna get a screenshot over here of the ramps and everything. Pretty good. As of like this is a bit still so wet.
Yeah.
All right, the slab's virtually finished, but we've got this fucking wet strip just along here.
It's the shade.
It's the shade. It's all Clinton's fault. You just need to shed over here more, Clinton, a little bit more.
What's this?
You need to shed like 1 more metre this way.
Oh, just a couple more meters.
Oh, look at that. That looks awesome.
This way now.
Beautiful. Just like I brought one. Right, so the slab's all in. The slab's all done, man. We're just waiting for this little bit here. We just got the 2 rebates there. They're done. Just gotta get the next bit. Meet up to this little bit. Slab's all done. The boys are happy. We got a new burnout pad for the Harleys, for the motocross bikes. Clinton's happy. Maybe we'll get some shots of him doing some freestyle. We've got to find some in me somewhere. But it was good work. Right. All right, guys, that's the end of the day. We've finished the slab for Clinton Moore. Thank you, Clinton. It was pretty good.
Thanks a lot.
You happy?
To the dream team that made it happen.
That's it. Thanks, Dougie. There's Clinton's dad. He's been helping as well. We've just been drinking piss all day. That was a good day. All right, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you can, and share this video. And when you see Clinton at X Games next time, make sure you leave a comment.
High five.
Or a high five. All right, see you guys. Have fun. Milk. All right, we're going now. See ya, boys.
This is it. Job's done for the day. Peace
Is that,
out.
is that your mulch down ramp, is it?
Yeah, that's Mole's one for the quarter pipe, or left and right. Flares and alley-oops. Bloody nut grass is coming back.
Oh, yeah. No, she looks good. Looks
Yeah.
fucking sick. Action on. All right, let's go home.